Basically, it all started one random afternoon when Rosa asked us to assemble in the class and was like, I need your attention for the next 2 hours onto this game. And then he showed us, introduced us to NID's Monsoon Fiesta. And I was so overhyped when I saw the video. I was like, damn, when are we gonna do this? Are we not like, do we have enough skills to do it? Or we don't have an opportunity to put it out there?
The whole planning of Siege started, nobody knows where it was going.
क्या बोलूं मैं इस पे? क्या बोलूं क्या अब मैं इस पे? मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकता.
It was just us putting efforts into it. Like, it's basically our baby at this point. It's like, it started from scratch. We didn't know what to do, how to do it, because we were all new to event planning and stuff. But somehow we pushed through because we knew something great is coming out of it.
So once the whole planning process started, it was really hard to believe that this is happening. Some points it felt like, oh, we might not be able to pull it off. But then we brainstormed and the name of Siege came and then the theme came and we thought about it. But then end of the day we pulled it off. And I realized I can do so much under a very little time frame, and I could not have done it without the support of my core team members. So I really appreciated that.
It was really fun defeating Void in volleyball finals. I really appreciate Heaven being there with us. They supported us throughout.
The most frustrating part of the core team was we got like sleepless nights. There was a day when we didn't get a chance to sleep for 1 minute, and again next day we have to show the same energy. Being a sports coordinator, morning I have to get up early to go book the courts, again get back to room, and then go to volleyball, be a referee, again run to basketball and everything. It was a mess, but I had a good experience being sports coordinator. I loved it.
Like most of us who have an introverted nature, they've been given the opportunity to go ahead, speak up to the seniors.
I got to interact with a lot of juniors.
समझ रहे हो?
I'm not good at maths, but then for this event I was a treasurer.
What?
And then it taught me really well how to keep track of all the events, what's happening behind the scenes, and also where the money is going, where it's stopping, where do we have anything left at a point we were bankrupt.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा.
Clearly remember all the sleepless nights trying to make the trophy. I think it is one day show, but that trophy for one day, as Mridul says, it's not bad.
It was a really good event, I feel like.
But it was fun. It was wholesome seeing that we could actually come together as a department, as a hum saath saath hai now.
Being part of Siege's core team was like very unexpected because I wanted to participate, but I'm really glad I did.
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई?
This was like a very fun thing and very stressful thing that all of us had to like go through.
तो हमारे ग्रुप पे डेरिक नाम का लड़का था.
Derek bothering us, asking for money over and over again.
I will start off with Derek slander. He pushed buttons I didn't know existed. It used to become weird when he used to do these random filters out of nowhere, like slot filters, random backgrounds.
उसको एक काम दो तो एक काम का 10 काम करेगा.
And he makes me realize every time he talks to me that I have another last word to get on.
And that is sometimes pointless, sometimes it completely makes sense.
Sometimes it's annoying, but at also same time it kind of lightens the mood, I guess.
Yeah, I wish I did it without him, but we could not have done it without him.
हाँ थोड़ा सा बदमाश, फिर भी ठीक है. अपना है.
At the end of the day, he makes us laugh, so I guess it's fine.
Other than that, it's fine. And we have to talk about.
Siege was crazy, The thing was, the event was just there.
क्या बोला तूने? नहीं पहले क्या बोला? चल चलो.
I wanted to be a backbone for my batchmates. Okay, more than giving me as a core team, it was like a family which is termed core. So
The best part in being in a core team was I met new people. I made a new good family. Yeah.
And somewhere down the line, I was really proud of all my teammates and the core team I was with. I got to know them better. I got to work with them better.
The Chikunku fights we have every 5 minutes. I think like we've evolved from friends and classmates to a step closer to siblings. Seeing people actually enjoy what we have put so much efforts into actually felt really good. It was like getting to know them a bit more, like beyond classroom, and I wouldn't trade it for anything.
No matter how many mistakes we made and times we slipped up, we always had each other's backs, and last moment tak we could cover it up and help each other out. So that was one thing I learned from this as a whole experience.
I don't know who I ended up in the core team.
Next stage, I am taking a vacation.